Hello guys, are you looking for a touch pointer in Samsung phone? We've got you covered guys. This video will show you how to activate touch pointer in Samsung phone. Okay, the first thing you should do, you have to open your setting on your phone and find developer options menu. Just have to scroll your screen like this and find developer options menu. It's right here. But if this option is still not showing up on your setting, you can watch my another video about how to activate developer options menu. I put the link on the description. Okay guys, let's continue the step. You gotta scroll your screen until you find show tabs option. Scroll your screen like this, and alright, this is the show tabs option, and you have to tap this toggle button to activate the touch pointer. Alright, now the touch pointer has been activated like this. Okay guys, that's how we can enable the touch pointer on Samsung phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch how to activate developer options menu. Okay, thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.